Hello, Martha. To look at your profile, to edit your profile, we'll click on Settings, and then you'll find General. It says User Profile. There's Blogger and Google+. So you want to make sure that Blogger is checked, and then you'll click Edit. And you will need to select Share My Profile. You can show your email address if you want, and you can change your display name. I have my initials. And do SD. And let's see, you can add any kind of information here that you would like. You can add your location, your work, your interests. Here's a little introduction that I typed. Then when you're finished, you'll hit Save Profile. Then you'll go to View Your Blog. You'll see my name has been changed, and there's the little sentence that I added. So hopefully that will help you.